welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I changed my eye color, but not like how you guys are probably thinking of it. I'm trying out these new color contacts from this company called Iris Beauty. They sent me over contacts, an eyebrow pencil, and some eyeliner, and I'm going to be testing them out in this video. So as you can tell, well, I don't know if you guys can tell from far away, but my eyes are a little bit lighter. My normal eye color is brown, like a dark brown, but these contact lenses are like a light brown, but they're very subtle and I really love them. I'm going to be reviewing these items for you guys and letting you know how I like them. And if you guys have not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. So yeah, without further ado, we're just going to get right into this video. Okay guys, so I got a package in the mail and it is from the company Iris Beauty. So in the package, hold up, let me get it. It comes with a letter to myself and it tells you a little bit about the company. I'm not going to read it all, but basically they are a beauty brand based in New York City and they sell makeup as well as color contact lenses. So today I got contacts and I got a perfecting eyebrow brush, which is just like a eyebrow pencil with the brush at the end, and then also I got the ultra defining eyeliner. I got, what does it say the shade on here? Okay, well it doesn't say the shade on here, but it's blue and they had different colors, but I chose blue because I don't have a blue eyeliner and I think it would be super pretty. And then also this eyebrow brush is a brown color. Again, this doesn't have the name, but it's brown. And then for the contacts, I got pure brown, and these are just a little bit lighter than my real eye color. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys know that I have worn contact lenses before, and I usually go for a light brown, and the last time I had green. But yeah, this time I just wanted to go for something more subtle, nothing too crazy, because the last pair that I had was really noticeable. So I wanted to kind of take a step back. So I picked the pure brown one. When you get it, I've worn these before actually, just so I could, you know, give an honest review on them. So when you get the package, it comes in like a plastic little container thing, and it comes with your 2 contact lenses. It just fell. And also in this little section down here, it comes with the contact holders, like your little contact case, you know. And then on it, it says, it has R on one side for right and then L on the other side for left. So yeah, my contacts are in here right now, and I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up of what my eyes look right now, like what my natural color is before I put them in, so you can see the difference. These are the natural colors of my eyes, just regular brown, you know, nothing crazy. Okay, so these are the contacts in. As you can see, it's not that drastic, and that's what I like. I'm kind of over the, you know, out there contacts. So like I said, these are the pure brown ones, and as far as comfort goes, I personally can tell that I have contacts in, and this one for some reason just feels a little bit off. Every time I put these contacts in, this one always just seems like it's like not in the right spot, or like I can definitely feel it when I blink. Like I can feel it. It's not where it's like hurting, but I'm like I can feel this. Overall, they are comfortable. Even though I can kind of still feel them, it's nothing to where I'm like, okay, like ow, I can't wear these. Out of the 4 contacts that I have worn over the past few years, I think these ones are probably second as far as most comfortable. They have multiple colors to choose from. but like I said, for me, I just wanted something more subtle, so I went with the pure brown. And so now we're going to get into the makeup portion of this video, and we're going to start off by using the brow pencil that they gave me. So when you open the little package, it just looks like this. It has plastic over it, so we're gonna rip that off. I really like their packaging. It's like, it's black, it's a matte black and gold, and that's really pretty. So yeah, it has the spoolie at the end, and then the actual pencil that you can twist up. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this to fill in my brows. This is shaped like a triangle, so this isn't one of the eyebrow pencils that you can really get like hair-like strokes from this. Like, this is for people who really want to fill in their brows, so just letting that be known to you guys. I don't know why my brows took so long to do, but anyways, let's go into eyes. So I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy today. The focus is gonna be on the eyeliner. Hopefully this eyeliner works out, fingers crossed. As far as the brow pencil goes, it is very creamy, it's not stiff, so I like that. So I'm gonna go in with this custom palette that I made. This is dummy old, but it's from Coastal Scent. I'm just gonna go in with this shade over here. I don't even know. These, I think these have names, but I'm not trying to take the pan out and see. Alright, so literally that's it. I just decided just now that that's all I want to do. We're just gonna go in with this liner. So it's like a felt tip. This can be hard for some people to use, but it really doesn't intimidate me to use these. But we'll see how pigmented this is. Ooh, yes, this, y'all, it is kind of hard to make your wing like sharp, but you can always clean it up with concealer, or you can take like a makeup wipe and, you know, sharpen it up. But this surprised me, you guys. Okay, so I already put on mascara and my lashes. Now I'm just gonna be doing my actual face, and I've done this plenty of times on my channel, so I'm not going to show it. I'm gonna show it, but I'm gonna speed up through this part of the video because I just use the regular stuff that I usually use. Although for foundation, I'm gonna mix my L'Oreal True Match and my Maybelline Superstay. I'm mixing these because, as y'all can see right now, I am pale. Okay, I'm pale, and right now this is a little bit too much for me. Like, it's kind of orangey, and then this one is too, like, I wouldn't say too light, because I feel like if this had a yellow undertone it would be perfect for my skin, but it's like it comes off a little bit pink. So y'all, I got a whole assignment due tonight by midnight, and I'm up here filming a video. But you know, if you're in college, you know what that's like. I just turned in an assignment before I started recording, and then I have another assignment due. So yeah, college life. But I'm about to graduate, so yay. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and just check out the link in my description so you guys can go to their website and check out all that Iris Beauty has to offer. I'll leave my discount code at the bottom as well for 15% off, and I will also leave the link to these actual contact lenses so you can check them out if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.